Are you an experienced professional looking for a job change? Or a fresher looking for a new opportunity but confused where to apply? Don't be stressed, as today we'll be helping you out with the top job portals where you can apply and get your desired job effortlessly. So, now without wasting any time, let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome to Fi Jobs. Let's start by discussing about the world's largest professional network platform, LinkedIn. Basically, ये एक ऐसा platform है where you can connect to worldwide companies and employees. But LinkedIn is not only used for connecting and growing your network, but also for searching jobs. So let me help you how you can apply through LinkedIn. As you can see that this is the page for your LinkedIn. So there is a job section. You just need to go into the job section. एंड जॉब सेक्शन पे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर के लिए देख रहे हो सो यू कैन जस्ट टाइप सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर and if you are looking for a specific location just like Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai or anywhere just like this for example मैं Bangalore location के लिए देख रही हूँ तो मैं Bangalore डालूंगी एंड उसके बाद जितनी भी कंपनीज हैं और जितनी भी कंपनीज ने जॉब पोस्टिंग्स डाले हुए हैं वो करंटली आपको यहाँ पे दिखाने लग जाएगा. If you are looking for a remote job, you can simply choose remote and refine your search. And अगर आप एक एंट्री लेवल का जॉब देख रहे हो, तो आप एक्सपीरियंस लेवल में जाकर चूज भी कर सकते हो कि आप एंट्री लेवल के जॉब्स देख रहे हो. And there is also a filter where you can just go and check what is the recent job posting which has been done, where you can sort that this is the most recent job posting which has been done. सो आपको यहाँ पे जितने भी रेलिवेंट रिजल्ट्स होंगे वो सब दिखाने लग जाएंगे कंपनीज के साथ. एंड इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक कंपनी एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू नो कि उस कंपनी में भी हायरिंग चल रही है कि नहीं, यू कैन इवन सर्च दैट. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर विप्रो, यू कैन सर्च विप्रो एंड सी कि करंटली उसमें हायरिंग चल रही है कि नहीं. सो एज यू कैन सी दैट इट इज़ शोइंग 0 रिजल्ट्स. दैट मीन्स विप्रो में अभी फ़िलहाल सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर की कोई भी ओपनिंग नहीं है जो उन्होंने रिसेंटली अपडेट की हो रिमोट अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए. देयर इज़ ऑल्सो अ वे वेर यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज दीज फिल्टर्स टू चेक लाइक विच कंपनी यू आर लुकिंग फॉर और टू जस्ट अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब सर्च यूजिंग लिंक्डइन. You can even choose the industry over here, like whichever industry you're looking for and the job function you're looking for. एंड कोई भी जॉब पोस्टिंग अगर डली होगी तो उसके अंडर, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ये जॉब पोस्टिंग डली हुई है, इसके अंडर इसका कंप्लीट जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन भी डला हुआ है. यू कैन गो थ्रू द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड इफ़ यू थिंक दैट अ जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन इज समथिंग which is relatable to what you are doing right now, it matches your current roles and responsibilities, you can apply through easy apply, or you can just go and check whichever company is hiring right now. You can connect to the HRs and you can upload your resume or share your resume directly to the HRs. So if there will be any job opening, they can directly reach you out and you can apply easily. So this is how you can search your job using LinkedIn. Now let's talk about the second most commonly used platform for job searching, Naukri.com. ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो सिर्फ इंडिया में ही यूज़ होता है और इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे यू कैन फाइंड जॉब्स फ्रॉम एंट्री लेवल to managerial roles, internships and part-time opportunities as well. Companies not only put job openings on Naukri, but the recruiters also headhunt to find the perfect fit. For the same, we'll be posting a video how to create your Naukri profile so that it can get easily noticed. So don't forget to follow us. If you are a fresher or experienced person who is looking to apply in startups, then you can use Wellfound. Wellfound is a platform which was previously known as AngelList, but now it has been updated to Wellfound. ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आपको मोस्टली स्टार्टअप्स मिलेंगे अप्लाई करने के लिए. Also, a bonus tip. You can check on LinkedIn और Google कि किस स्टार्टअप को रिसेंटली फंडिंग मिली है and is looking for new resources. Apply in those startups and make your job searching journey even more easier. If you are from sales, marketing, healthcare, administration, banking or finance, Foundit.com and Indeed.com are the best places to find job opportunities because these platforms are a hub of non-IT roles which can make your job hunting even more smoother. Some other portals like Shine.com, Apna Jobs, and Work India are also growing rapidly to find jobs which are locally based. ये तो बात हो गई इंडिया में यूज हो रहे कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म्स की, but there is still something remaining. Nowadays, companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Wipro, TCS, and many more have their own career portals where you can upload your resume and apply easily. So, note down to follow the LinkedIn pages or connect with the HRs of these companies so that you can be updated about the job openings and then you can apply using the career portal. And now it's time to wrap up. I hope you are all cleared about the job portals. We will be discussing about internship portals and more such updates in our next video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Till then, keep exploring, keep applying, and stay curious.